Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, bonjour, buongiorno, buenos dias, guten Morgen, ohio gozaimasu. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You are watching STEPHE'S Talk Show. I'm Steph. Welcome. I will be honest with you today. I am full of energy. Outside, it's sunnier. Makes me even more ready for today's subject. As always, we're going to focus on the Caribbean and the Latin region. And as always, we're going to explore, reflect, and invest. Today, I will be talking about Barbados and the medical tourism boom. Why luxury healthcare facilities are the new high-yield asset. What if the next Caribbean investment opportunity wasn't a beachfront resort like a Hilltop, for example, but a luxury surgical recovery center? For decades, Barbados has been known for white sand beaches, high-end villas, and the elite tourism that I am myself loving. But now, a quiet transformation is on the way. The island is beginning to evolve from the leisure destinations into something far more profitable: medical tourism. Medical tourism is a hub for affluent international patients. And for investors paying attention, this shift could create one of the most overlooked high-yield asset classes in the Caribbean. Because today, healthcare is no longer a services, or should I say just a services. It's the right market. It becomes a premium real estate play, a resilient income stream, and of course, a long-term strategic investment. Today, we are breaking down why Barbadian medical tourism may become one of the region's most compelling opportunities. Patients from North America, Europe, Asia, and even part of the Latin America are increasingly traveling abroad for orthopedic procedure, cosmetic surgery, of course, fertility treatment, rehabilitations, cardiovascular care, and even more. Why? Because healthcare in developing countries has become increasingly expensive. In the United States, a knee replacement can cost over $40,000. A cosmetic procedure may cost double what it would be elsewhere. Waiting time in many countries continues to rise. Wealthy patients are now asking a different question. They are no longer simply asking, where can I get treatment? They are asking, where can I recover in privacy, comfort, and safety? That shift changed everything. Because now, our medical tourism business is no longer just about hospital. We are going way further than this. It's about luxury healthcare ecosystem. People want quality. People are also tired of wasting time. All of these are the reason why we can observe this shift. And Barbados is uniquely positioned to capitalize. Why Barbados has a unique advantage? Barbados offers a rare combination that very few jurisdictions can replicate. First, it already has a strong luxury tourism reputation. Yeah. That matters because affluent patients want familiarity. They want to feel home and confident enough to take that next step when it comes to surgery and, anything related to medical care. They want a destination associated with safety, prestige, stability, and discretion. Barbados already checks those boxes. Secondly, the island has one of the most respected healthcare system in the Eastern Caribbean. It has trained physicians, English-speaking staff, international airlift, and legal structure familiar to North American investors, mostly, but also including Europeans, which is a very big advantage. And third reason will be that this location creates strategic convenience. Flight from Miami, New York, Toronto, and London are, coming to Barbados. Make the island highly accessible. For post-operative patients, proximity matters. A 6-hour flight to Asia may feel unreasonable after surgery, but a short regional journey to Barbados feel manageable. That gives Barbados a major competitive edge. And lastly, the fourth reason will be that Barbados offers political economic stability compared with many competing jurisdictions. For institutional capital, stability matters as much as yield, sometimes more. So now let's go down to the rise of luxury recovery assets. Now here is where the real investment story begins. The future is not simply building another hospital. The future is combining medical treatment, luxury hospitality, and premium real estate. Imagine a property that includes outpatient surgery suites, private rehabilitation rooms, concierge nursing of oceanfront recovery villas, wellness services, nutrition programs, and personalized transportation. Let's be honest, even if you have nothing to do, you're going to find a reason to actually go there and have this whole experience. Yes, this creates a new category, okay? Luxury convalescent real estate. This asset can generate income through multiple channels. Revenue stream 1, procedure-related occupancy. Revenue stream 2, family accommodations. And revenue stream 3, recovery wellness clientele. That creates repeat business, and repeat business drive valuation. And now I would like to go into that simple question. Why investors are paying attention? Traditional Caribbean hospitality can be repetitive. You know, the experience itself doesn't bring much. So hotels depend on seasonality, tourism trends, airline disruptions, and economic slowdown. Medical tourism behave differently. Healthcare demand is often more resilient. People may postpone vacations, but they rarely postpone critical procedures forever. So that makes medical hospitality potential more defensive. And for the investors means the following. Strong year-round occupancy, pricing power, reduced seasonality, and potentially higher margin than traditional resort, because patients are no longer just paying for a room. Okay, they are paying for the whole experience, outcomes, privacy, trust, quality, and recovering experience. That premium can dramatically improve per square foot profitability. In some cases, this facility may outperform traditional luxury hospitality. And this is important. And also because the concept remain relatively early in the Caribbean at the moment, there may still be first mover advantage. That is where sophisticated investors often found outsized returns. What about taxes and government alignment on this subject? This is another reason this sector deserves attention, because of policy alignment. Barbados understands tourism, but increasingly government across the region recognize healthcare as a strategic growth sector. Possible incentive can include duty-free medical equipment imports, tax concessions for foreign direct investment, accelerated depreciation structures, land development incentive, and special licensing frameworks. Government often support projects that create skilled employment, attract foreign exchange, and reduce healthcare leakage overseas. Because many Caribbean patients currently leave the region for advanced care, if Barbados can retain their spending internally, it's going to make it stronger to the local economy. That creates alignment between private investors and national development goals. And wherever those interests align, opportunity often expands. Another important piece of this puzzle is talent. Many highly trained physicians are looking for better infrastructure. Doctors often leave because local system lack of advanced equipment, private practice support, and modern facilities. A premium medical tourism platform can reverse that trend. We can keep our doctors, right? Instead of losing talent abroad, Barbados can attract surgeons, specialists, rehabilitation experts, and international practitioners. That improve care quality, and better care system attract more patients, which attract more capital as well. It becomes a self-reinforcing cycle for investors that create scalability and scalable healthcare platform can become extremely valuable. The risk investors must understand. Of course, no investment is without risk, and I would like to be strong on this one. Okay, no investment is without risk. Punto. Medical tourism carry unique challenges. Investors must evaluate regularity compliance, insurance partnership, malpractice frameworks, staffing consistency, and international accreditation standards. The reputation is everything. This is not passive hospitality investing. This requires deep operational oversight. Best opportunity will likely come from partnership between healthcare operators, hospitality developers, and regional investment specialists like your girl Steph. So because execution matters more than concept, and in this sector, executions determines whether an asset becomes exceptional or expensive. Okay, and we're coming to the end of this video. I want you to know that Barbados may be entering a new phase at the moment, not just as a tourism destination, but a premium healthcare investment market, where luxury, real estate, and demographic trends intersect. For the right investor, that could create something rare. An asset that delivers both financial returns and long-term strategic value. And as the Caribbean evolves beyond traditional tourism, those who understand where capital is moving early often capture the greatest upside. Caribbean is the place to invest. Caribbean has potential. Caribbean requires your attention, dear investors. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear international investors, if you are exploring investment opportunities in the Caribbean and the LATAM regions, particularly in emerging sectors like medical tourism, hospitality, and specialized real estate, I would love to connect with you. There are a lot of opportunities around. There are a lot of opportunities that can be profitable if you do the right connections in the right places with the right people. And if you found this analysis valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more insight into high potential investment opportunity across the Caribbean and LATAM. Thank you very much for watching STEPHE'S Talk Show. Once again, my name is Steph, and I will see you in the next video.